Hello everyone, welcome back to Medinare. This video is a part of a vitamin series where I'm going to cover about all the vitamins possible within 3 minutes. So let's begin. The first vitamin that we have for today is vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin and the active form is present only in animal tissues. And we also have 3 different compounds with vitamin A activity, which are retinol, retinal and retinoic acid. We could get vitamin A from various animal sources which include milk, butter, cream, cheese, egg yolk and liver. Fish liver oils like cod liver oil and shark liver oil are very rich sources of vitamin. We also have some vegetable sources which contain yellow pigment beta carotene, which are carrot, mango, papaya, pumpkins, green leafy vegetables, and so on. During cooking, the activity is not destroyed. The daily requirement of vitamin A for children is 400 to 600 mg per day, and for men, it is 750 to 1000 mg per day. And for women, it is 750 mg per day. And in pregnant women, it is 1000 mg per day. So therefore, the daily requirement of vitamin A is around 1000 mg per day for men and in pregnant women. Now here is a gist of the functions of vitamin A. It plays a vital role in vision. Okay, so we have a very classic thing here, which is Wall's visual cycle. I couldn't explain it right here, but if you want to know about it, please do let me know in the comment section below so I could make a detailed video about Wall's visual cycle. And the famous dark adaptation mechanism is also because of the vitamin A, so that when we are in the bright light and suddenly light goes off, and the theater phenomenon, right? So when you go into a theater, you could able to sense all these things that is present in front of you because of dark adaptation mechanism that is by your vitamin A. And we also have certain other functions, which is expression and differentiation of tissues. It also helps in normal reproduction. It has antioxidant property to a certain extent, and it prevents heart attack and maintains normal epithelium and skin. Moving on to their effects created by their deficiency. So it mainly causes night blindness. So obviously it is helpful in vision, right? So if it is deficient, it causes many eye related problems, which is night blindness, xerophthalmia, which is dry eyes, Betet spot, keratomalacia, preventable blindness, and skin and mucous membrane lesions. So that's the gist of vitamin A. So if you want to know detail about this, please do let me know in the comment section below so I could make a video about that as well. And a small disclaimer here for you guys that this video is not the main source for you to write this concept in your exam. So with the help of this video, you could get an idea, or you can help in recollecting the memory that you have studied regarding this topic. So please make sure that you refer the book before you enter your exam hall, so that helps to fetch you more marks. I hope you guys found this video helpful. So if you did so, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. And I see you guys in the next video.